What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw Quaxwell from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the mouth. We're going to start over on the left, bend the mouth coming down the middle, and then back up on the right. Let's curve the beak going up and in. And then we'll fold the top of the beak in behind. So we're going to step over, curve this up and in on both sides, and I'll round out the top. Now let's draw the bottom of the beak. Let's connect the corners of the mouth with a curve coming down and then back up. Let's add two angled lines on either side for the nostrils. Now let's work our way up along the top of the brow. We'll start on the left side, add a curve going up the middle, and I'll bring that back down. And then from the side, we're going to go out and then bend that all the way up towards the top of the brow. Go to the right and do the same thing. Let's round out the tip of the brow, come down and then bend that in. Let's tuck the bottom of the brow underneath. We're going to step down, curve this up, come down, and I'm just going to taper this in towards the side of the beak. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, around the bottom, and then bend that in. Now tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. Let's start all the way over on the left side, curve the eye coming around towards the bottom, and just pull that up towards the side of the beak. And I'll push the pupils towards the inside, starting underneath the brow, curve around, and then in towards the side. Let's add a small half oval in the center of the eye. And now we're going to move out and draw the side of the head coming in towards the chin. From the top of the left eye, let's step out, curve around the eye, and then just bend that in underneath the chin. Let's go to the right side, going all the way around, and we'll bend that in. Now let's draw the edge of the collar. We're going to step out and draw a half circle, coming down and then up. Now we're going to move up and draw the top of the head. From the inside of the left brow, let's curve this up in the middle. Just going to round up the head, and then bring that down on the right. Let's continue that curve underneath the brow on the left, bend this down and then out. Let's round up the end, pull that in and then up, just beside the head. Now we're going to step down, add another curve, coming down and up underneath the head. Now from here we're going to draw on the side of the body. From the top of the collar, let's step out underneath the head, bend this down, and then out. Now we're going to round up the leg and just pull that back in. Now we're going to leave a gap along the bottom and add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, we'll go over towards the left side, bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now from the heel we're drawing the first toe. We're going to come down and up, round up the toe, and then pull that back in. Let's draw two more toes on either side. We're going to start from the tip, go out, round up the toe, and then pull that in. And then with the last toe, we're going to go out and just pull that in towards the ankle. From the ankle, add a trim coming down and then in. And then from the outside of the ankle, we're gonna bend the leg coming in and up underneath the body, leaving a little overlap along the bottom. Let's add that detail across the body. We start over on the left, bend this down, and go back up on the right. Let's bend this down and out towards the side of the body. Now I want to trace that same shape along the bottom. So start on the left, going up, and work our way across towards the right. Now we're going to draw in the arms. Let's start with the inside edge. So we'll start on the side of the body, bend this down, and then out. Let's round up the finger, going around, up, and in. And we'll layer 2 more fingers in behind. We're going to start from the tip, bend this down and out, round up the finger, come in, and bend that up. Let's add 1 more finger on the outside, going around, and then bend that in. Now I just want to pull this back in and up toward the top of the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's separate the arm of the trim, starting from the top, go up, bend that back out towards the bottom. Now I'm going to layer the tail in behind the body. Let's start from the hips, bend this out and up, in behind the hands. Now we want to continue that curve up above, going up, and then bending that down in behind the arms. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Quaxwell from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.